if you want to clear browsing data on a Realme GT 7T, you can, for example, open the Chrome browser. I'm gonna use the Chrome browser in this example, and then I'm gonna also use the Internet app as well. So generally speaking, what you need to do is go to the settings or find additional options of the browser. In the case of the Chrome browser, we can tap on these three dots in the top right corner. And here, in fact, we don't even have to go to settings because we have the delete browsing data option over here. And then over here, we can choose the time range, and we have the summary of everything that will be deleted. We can also go to more options in order to find some additional options, and we can choose what should happen. Here, we can also customize the time range, and then we can press delete data. Now let's open the Internet app, which can also be, of course, used. This is the pre-installed app. In this case, we can tap on menu, I believe, in order to find the clear history option. So this one is just for history, so we can just tap over here in order to clear it. But if you go to settings, you might also be able to find the option to clear data. There we go. And in this case, we can clear even more stuff. You can select whatever should be cleared, and then we can press clear button. So this is how it looks like. This is how we can get rid of data, of browsing data in our browsers. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.